to the Smash News Network, Least Busted Name in News. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. And this cyclonic system here taking its good old time moving up north from the Philippines. Here are the surface winds, and we still see significant winds associated with that. In fact, it's actually increased a little bit, it looks like. Let's zoom in real quick. See if we can get a high wind reading here. Actually, winds have reduced a little bit. So this has weakened a little bit here, folks. We still do see a jet stream level counterclockwise rotation, but not a clockwise rotation. An indication it's looking pretty steady here. Here are the jet streams of the western world. We've got some funky winds in the North Atlantic as well. We'll show you the surface winds. And there you can see these chaotic wind patterns once again in the North Atlantic, all the way from Bermuda to Iceland. And that very powerful low that was hanging out off of Cape Cod has finally moved up north. It's about due south of Greenland now. Powerful counterclockwise rotation there, indicating a low pressure system. And there's the jet stream once again. Next, lightningmaps.org. We're looking at a real-time lightning map. I use lightningmaps.org when I hear thunder. No terrestrial lightning to report on right now, but there is the global lightning scenario. And let's talk about snow. Apparently it's so hot that it's cold, folks. Oh my God, we better reduce the carbon dioxide because carbon dioxide totally has something to do with climate, right? Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about carbon dioxide in the climate. Anyway, looks like the entire state of Ohio is covered with snow. And it's April 21st. Let's advance this to the Euro forecast. Here's where we expect things to be at 2 p.m. tomorrow. A large portion of the Great Lakes region and New England remain covered in snow, as well as most of the Rockies. So it's 4 winters in a row of record snowfall across the Northern Hemisphere. And check out the freeze warnings. We're on weather.gov. And look at the freeze warnings. Absolutely insane. April 21st. Freeze warnings over about 1/3 of the country here. The entire central portion of the country, including places like northern Texas. Even some hard freeze warnings there in the Texas Stovepipe, the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern New Mexico. Apparently it's so hot that it's cold, folks. Oh my God, we better make the planet cooler by firing rockets into the atmosphere and spraying particulates in the stratosphere a la volcanic activity. Great idea. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Geoengineering, one of the most idiotic ideas in the history of mankind. In fact, geoengineering is almost as idiotic as carbon sequestration. I used to think Elon Musk was smart. Now he's offering $100 million for the best carbon dioxide sequestration process. An absolutely moronic thing to do. And we cite lots of moronic things here at the Smash News Network. Least busted name in news. Check out the heavy snow here, sweeping across Ohio, Tennessee, Kentucky, about to make it into Pennsylvania, New York, West Virginia. Significant snow here once again over the central part of the U.S. Yowzers, it's so hot that it's cold. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And here's the water vapor map. If your Doppler radar doesn't show you enough information, check out the water vapor map. Water vapor can't hide from the water vapor map. This shows you water vapor that isn't condensed onto clouds. The 3.9 nanometers typically shows you water vapor that is condensed onto clouds. And that's today's meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in, Twitch viewers. And we'll have to say goodbye to Twitch as we go to our bonus features. Twitch viewers, don't forget to check us out at youtube.com/smAsho.